In a major boost to tribal education and infrastructure, Tribal Welfare Minister Bikash Debbarma led an inauguration and foundation stone laying ceremony in Chailengta, Longtharai Valley today. The projects were funded under the Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission. 2 new hostels for boys and girls were officially opened to provide better residential facilities for tribal students in the region. The minister laid the foundation stone for 5 additional projects aimed at enhancing local welfare and infrastructure. The ceremony was attended by several high-ranking officials and leaders.
Belai na hamba joto media rongno tini norong khona thana yo tabungno madok chandra te Chailengta umo khai burini mo khai chalani te yang tongo silanas mo tongo class 12 school ngai tini thomkai nai tini chini koram sarawo kai thomkai jangna uja chalani mo tongo burini mo tongo ngai chini sarkar chini nahar mungkai chini Borongno chini bukung bararongno chini Tripura sarongno sikawa agogrena ni bagai chini naharmung chini rajyoni jonopriyo mukhyamantri Professor Dr. Manik chini namo main Tripura sarongno je agogrena hangai sikka nango sakang sikka sara kono jati agogoi maya mugana 10 বছর বিসিং chini charara IS IPS TCS gobang chini bukung bararno khonai abani bagano chini sarkarni main uddesho sikka sara kono agogoi maya tini norongni bising tino norong nukhona je এই চালারংনি হোস্টেল বরিরং হোস্টেল খুলংমানি উদ্দেশ্য বেলাই বেলাই হাম
Reported by Kiran from Longtharai Valley, Chini, Khorang.